y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop into this video. So I'm starting off with a bottle of water to get this crusty hair back moisturized. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some Icostal gel just so I can start slicking my hair up. I did use a couple of different products in this video. I used Gorilla Snot. For my edges, I use She's Balm Goo. Now, as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my bristle brush to smooth the product up, and I'm going back in and reapplying some product around my edges. So now what I'm doing is just taking that rubber band you see and just situating my hair going up, just so it'll be easier for me to smooth all the product up towards the base of my ponytail. Okay, so now is the hardest part. Everybody know that this is the hardest to do because you want it to be super sleek. So I'm just taking that same rubber band and just putting my hair in a ponytail. Not too tight because you don't want to cut off circulation, but obviously tight enough to where it'll be sleek. Please disregard the wrinkle background, okay? I'm trying to be professional with backdrops. Okay, so for the base of this, you want to take your hair and split it into two sections and twist. Depending on how long or short your hair is, do whatever you got to do to get it into a little bun. And after that, I'm just going to take it, wrap it around, and secure it with a little small black rubber band. And just like that, the masterpiece is complete. Bye, we're done. No, I'm just playing. So now I'm gonna go in and do my edges with the She's Balm Goo. So what you want to do is you want to take a piece of hair on the end of the track, either end, and just wrap that around the base of your bun. I like to tuck it underneath because that's the most secure. And then just wrap the track around. That's all you're doing, is just wrapping that track around. When you get close to the end, you want to do the same thing that you did at the top, which is taking a small piece of hair and securing what you just done by wrapping that piece around the bun. Right here, I'm taking a little piece of hair real fast and wrapping it around the base, and that's just making sure that hair stays on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another piece on, and now I'm just gonna situate it to where it looks good on my head. I was going for like a messy bun kind of thing, but whatever floats your boat is what you do. But as you can see, I'm still using those black rubber bands to secure the hair down, just because it's like a easier way to keep the hair on without being too tight. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm just taking out some little straggly pieces to make it look more natural and to make it look more distressed too, so it won't look too polished. So I'm just going to continue to position this and fix it around, make sure I'm liking how it looks. It's very important to be patient in this process because most of the time you end up with an ugly bun at first, but then it turned out cute. So after all that adjusting, I am now kind of feeling myself. You know what I'm saying? It's looking kind of right on me, you know? Hold up, what's that? Anyway, I'm taking my edge brush and some more of that She's Balm Goo just to fix up my widow's peak and the perimeter of my edges. So So after doing all that, I wanted to take some knockers and put it on my hair just because I saw them from the corner of my eye and I was like, why not? But you don't have to do this. Feel free to leave it just plain. But I decided to go ahead and add these in my head. Alright y'all, so this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this look and want to see more like this, make sure to comment them down below. Also like this video and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully in God's favor, and God bless.